In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with drum machines. So if you don't have a drum machine in your project already, you're going to need to go to Add Track at the top left. And when you click on there, it will bring up the new track window. We're obviously working with drum machines this lesson, which is our second option. When we click on that, it will bring up two drum machine parts, an A part on the left and a B part from bar 5 onwards. These are two different drum patterns. We can see the drum pattern at the bottom in this grid. If this hasn't shown up for you, it's because the instrument button at the bottom left isn't selected. So if this is ever hidden, you can just click on instrument and it will show up. We've got a few things going on here in our drum machine window. We've got all of our different parts of our drum kit down the left hand side here, starting with our kick drum, snare drum, second snare drum sound, some clapping and rim shot sounds, which are kind of like snare sounds, and then our hi-hat and cymbal sounds. We can see what this sounds like by clicking on the play button. And we can also change this drum pattern. So we might choose to add in an extra kick drum, which we can do just by clicking in the empty space. We might choose to take away some other part. So I might choose to take away these two kick drums here, for example. If there's a dot in the space and you click on it, it will remove it. If there's a space and you click on it, it will add in a drum hit. Simple. If you're ready to then add that pattern to your project, you need to select which bar you want it to appear in using the playhead, and then you click on the add letter button. So I'm working with drum pattern A, so it says add A. When I click on there, it will add it into my project. BandLab automatically gives you two drum patterns to start with, A and B. C, D, E, F, G and H are empty. So if you want a blank canvas to start with, you can choose one of those patterns to work in. That is drum machine basics.